Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, then do check out the Ting forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So today is 1st April, April Fool's Day, but this day is important for forex traders because NFP non-firm payroll is about to come up first Friday of every month. And as we all know, that NFP brings a lot of volatility in the market. So new traders, beginners, be careful during the event. Okay, you can go to forexfactory.com to find out the details. You can see here is our scary NFP. So during the event, be careful with the USD pairs. Beginners, new traders, please stop or exit from all your USD position, or at least if you want to carry that, uh, go ahead with very small lot size because protection of capital is much more important than the thrill. Now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. Right now Euro USD is trading at 1.1066. This is the current market price of Euro USD. But before we proceed with the chart of Euro USD, okay, I would like to talk about DXY. See, DXY as per our expectation bounced from the level of 97.75. Yes, 97.75 was a very strong level and still a very strong level for the market. During the NFP, if we see fall in the market or sharp downfall in the chart of DXY, then again we can hope that 97.75 will be the support for the market, and if market breaks 97.75, then the responsibility will be on 97.40. Overall, I think that these two are the levels important for us in case there is a fall on DXY. And if market goes up, then obviously we know it better that 99.40, 99.50 is still the strongest resistance for the market. So these two levels are still intact for DXY. Keep your eyes on it. Okay. Now let's look at Euro USD. Regarding Euro USD, okay, I'll try to keep it very short because we do not have much level. See, obviously there are multiple things that we can discuss on the chart, but yes, I know that most of you are beginners, so I'll only suggest the important levels on their reliable levels. This is the current market price here. Okay, there is a good possibility that market will be taking support around this level 1.1040 to 1.1035. Around this level there is a good chance of market taking support here because we have 50 moving average coming up, plus this level was the previous resistance in the market. So resistance will become support, and the additional confirmation of 50 moving average, okay, gives us the confidence that this level will be a new support for the market. And under normal circumstances before the NFP, we can expect that if market comes down to this level, market will get the necessary support, required support, and we can go for a buy position. But in case after the event, if you see heavy fall in the market, yes, we know it very well that fundamentals always dominate the technicals, and if we see heavy fall on the chart of Euro USD, then if you find market breaking the level, yes, listen to me carefully, if you find market breaking the level and going down, you can take a sell position as well, but it all depends on the circumstances. Without news, there is a good possibility market will be taking support around this level 1.1040, 1.1035, around this level. But if market fails after the news, then you can take a sell position as well. But whatever you do, follow proper risk management because in this market condition, following risk management is very important because our capital is limited. Okay, so it's our duty to protect our hard-earned money. And in case market goes up, the first resistance that you can expect is from the 200 moving average. As 200 moving average is a dynamic resistance, as a result we do not have an exact value. Okay, but you can expect selling pressure around 1.1100. Okay, 1.1100, you can expect selling pressure. But it will be better if you put the 200 moving average in your chart so that you can understand it better. Dynamic support resistance does not have the exact values, whereas in case of static levels we can go ahead with values. But if market goes up from here under normal circumstances, okay, under normal circumstances, we can expect that market will face resistance around here, and if market reverses, you can take a sell position. But make sure that you are also consulting the chart of DXY when you are taking a sell position on Euro USD. At the same time, DXY should be on the opposite direction. Keep in mind always. Okay. And the ultimate resistance as of now, okay, in the chart of Euro USD, you can expect around 1.1125 and and this level here, 1.1180, 1.1200. Okay, so see, under normal circumstances when there is not much volatility in the market is slow and all, you can expect market to reverse on 200 moving average. But see, if the market gets very volatile, then 200 moving average will not be able to hold the market because it is not doing the duty as of now. So in that case, 1.1125 will come into the scene. If market reverses from here, well and good, it can take a sell position. But because of news, if heavy volatility comes to the market, yes, if heavy volatility comes to the market, then this level, this resistance at the top will be acting as the resistance for the market. Okay, you can expect a selling pressure. So if market goes up and if you see a price rejection from above, strong selling pressure, you can take a sell position at the resistance as well. But today is NFP day and you must be very careful. So whatever you do, and following risk management is extremely important. See, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, so please be careful. And you can see that inflation, euro is about to declare inflation rate. Okay, so there will be volatility on the euro pairs after a couple of hours, so things are not very good. Take care.